Oh, hi everyone. Good day. My name is Sarah Jane Titayagaro from BSIS 2B, and I would like to introduce to you the Kruskal algorithm. So, what is Kruskal algorithm? Kruskal algorithm is a graph theory algorithm that finds a minimum spanning tree and a connected indirect graph. And what to remember? Kruskal algorithm is a greedy algorithm that works by selecting the shortest edge that doesn't create a cycle and repeating with all vertices are connected. So, first before we proceed, let us recap what is minimum spanning tree. As given a graph, the minimum spanning tree of that graph is a subgraph such as that all vertices of the graph exist in the subgraph and the subgraph should be connected and there should no be cycles in the subgraph. So why do we call a minimum spanning tree? It is because the edge that we include the sum of the weights of those edges should be minimum. So this is in mind, let's take a look at Kruskal algorithm using an example. So this is going to be the graph that I want to construct the minimum spanning tree for. So what we are going to do in a Kruskal algorithm is we are going to keep including the minimum edges as long as no cycles are formed, and once we cover all the vertices we stop. So let's start. So since we are going to keep including edges and we know that the subgraph is going to finally contain all the vertices. So let's start. First, draw all the vertices. First. So our subgraph is going to have other minimum spanning tree. It's finally going to include all the vertices. Now let's start including the edges. What are the minimum edges in this set? We have a minimum edge here and here, and a minimum edge one here. So first let me include this. This. And here. Now, in this set, what is the minimum edge? We have 3 here and a 3 here. So first, I'll include this. then I include this. Next, then I have an edge of 5, which is the next minimum edge. Now, can I include this? No, we cannot include this. Why? Because when I include the edge of number 5 is I will be performing a cycle between. Why? Because B, D, and E. So, since it forms a cycle, so I cannot include the edge number 5. So, we have 2, 4 in here. Can I include this 4? No, because there is a cycle. No, we cannot because again, we could create a cycle between D, B, and A. So this, can I include net? Hi. X. So, next, can I include this? Yes, we can include that. Next, can I include this number 6 or not? So, the next is 6. Can I include the 6 or not? No. Why? Because there is a cycle between this A, B, G, and F. So, X. So, let's the next largest. So, it's 8. So, can we include this? Yes, because there is no form of cycle. So now, it's all connected, all the vertices, so we can stop. Because there is no other than here. So, when we stop, let's all know the weight. So, 3 plus 1, 4, plus 3, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, and 20, plus 8. So, we have 20. So, this is we perform cross-call algorithm to find the minimum spanning tree given a particular graph. We keep including the next minimum edge as long as that edge not form a cycle in our spanning tree. So, bye. 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 So that's it. And once again, I'm Sergeant T. Diagro from BSIS 2D. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.